In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Cloudways support from the platform. If you're dealing with a server issue, a failed migration, or an application error, the last thing you want is to waste time digging through help articles when you really need direct support. The good news is that Cloudways gives you access to support right inside the platform dashboard, and once you know where to click, the process becomes much faster and easier. Start by opening your browser, going to the Cloudways platform, and signing into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the far right side of the screen. You should see a floating vertical tab labeled Need Help. This tab stays available across the platform, so you can open support without losing your place in whatever section you're working on. Click that tab, and a support panel will slide out over your current workspace. If your issue is urgent and you want to reach a real person through live chat, look inside that panel and select live chat. Cloudways may first ask you to describe your issue or choose a category such as server management, billing, or application errors. Go ahead and select the closest match. After that, the system will usually suggest help articles. If you want to move past those suggestions and get into the human support queue faster, type speak to an agent or click the option that says chat with an expert if it appears. This is the quickest way to move beyond the automated prompts and reach a support specialist. For issues that are more detailed but not necessarily urgent, creating a ticket is often the better choice. In that same support panel, click Create a Ticket, then fill out the form carefully, include the server name, the affected application details, and the severity level that best matches the problem. In the description box, explain the issue clearly and include exact error messages if you have them. You can also attach screenshots or relevant log files. The more specific and organized your information is, the easier it will be for the support team to investigate without needing extra follow-up. When everything is ready, submit the ticket. You'll then receive a tracking reference through your account email so you can monitor progress and keep your team updated. It's also useful to understand the available support levels. Standard support includes round-the-clock live chat access for all users. There are also paid support upgrades for faster response times, deeper troubleshooting, and more advanced assistance. Before you close the panel, do a quick final check. Make sure your ticket details are accurate, your chat session shows the correct status, and your email settings are ready to receive replies from the support team. That way, you won't miss updates and you'll be able to follow the case smoothly from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.